Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are looking to take your experience to the next level and make it even smoother in the Character AI, then you came to the right place. In this video, we will explore the top tips and tricks for enhancing your Character AI interaction. So, let's start. First tip is set the tone from the start. First thing, setting the tone of your conversation right from the start can make a world of difference. When chatting with the character, you might want to engage in a different role plays. However, if you have a particular role play in mind, make sure to establish that tone early on. By doing so, the character will seamlessly follow your lead. Remember, jumping between different role play or conversation style can confuse the bot, so keep it consistent. Second is stick to the one way of communication. Clear communication is the key when interacting with the bot. Remember, Character.AI is a AI, not a human. It doesn't possess the ability to grasp human or adapt a different conversation style. Therefore, it's best to stick to one style of conversation throughout. For example, if you prefer providing detailed description and explanation and maintain that approach, avoid abruptly switching to the brief responses as it may confuse the bot. Third is be clear about the bot's identity. Everyone uses Character.AI for different purposes. Some enjoy role playing and having a fun, while others leverage it for writing or generating social media content. Regardless of your intention, clarity about the bot's identity is crucial. Decide on a specific purpose for the conversation right from the beginning. Avoid switching from the role play to requesting a 1,000 word essay on thermodynamics midway. Remember, a bot accustomed to role play might not excel at essay writing. Tip 4 is set the gender or use the third person. If the bot has a if bot has a specified gender, utilize that gender when addressing it. Alternatively, you can decide on a gender at the start of the conversation and stick to it. In case the bot lacks a gender specification, refer it to a different. So refer it a third person constantly. Using one gender or the third person can help to both stay true its character. Tip 5, delete the previous conversation. Sometimes you want a fresh or start you want a start you want to start a fresh or prefer the bot not to reference past conversation. No worry, you can easily delete previous chats by selecting and removing those. Once the conversation history is erased, the bot will forget everything what we discussed. It's a handy feature for the clean slate. Tip 6 is Character AI has a dark mode. Did you know the Character AI offer both light and dark modes? If you night owl or prefer using the app in dimly lit spaces, the dark mode is perfect for you. Plus, it adds an aesthetic touch. You can effortlessly switch between light and dark modes in the Character.AI settings. Tip 7 is write the character description correctly. When creating a character, pay attention to describing them accurately. However, how you portray the character will influence its behavior. Ensure that your description align precisely with the characteristics and traits you desire. If you're looking for a writing assistant, explicitly mention it. Likewise, if you wish to recreate a character from the game, provide a detailed description to the bot. Tips 8, you can dictate your message instead of typing. Tired of typing every message? Well, good news. You can now dictate your message to Character AI. Yes, you heard that right. Simply use the microphone option and speak your message aloud. The bot will respond based on your dictation. No more tedious typing. Tip 9 is Character.AI can generate images. Did you know that Character.AI has an amazing feature? It can generate stunning images. Whether you are into a role play or content writing, give this feature a try. You will find many bots that can generate images. Just make sure to provide a clear and detailed description of the scene or person you want a picture of. Remember, Character.AI relies on the accurate description to create the image you want. Tip 10 is delete the chats easily from Character.ai. Lastly, let's talk about managing your chats. If you wish to delete conversation and clear your inbox, it's you can easily do. Simply head to chat section from the left tab, click on the edit at the top of the page and then select the X next to the chat you want to remove. Keep in mind that once you delete a chat, you will not able to continue the conversation with the bot. So think twice, consider making backup or simply take a break and come back to the chat later when you are ready. So that's it in today's video. So these are the top 10 tips and tricks for maximizing your Character.AI experience. Implement this technique and enjoy seamless interaction with your favorite bots. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.